This is Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm talking about the way to get the best commissions on Amazon Associates. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me, let's get started. Here's my Amazon Associates account, and I can tell you the best way to get the best rates on Amazon Associates, and I've been using Associates for more than 10 years, is to really understand what the rates are for different items. So here is a list of the things in the past month I have made money on. Just so you know, I'm not a real active Associates promoter. I'm not an influencer or anything like that. I just leave some links on YouTube and on my blogs and on my websites, and I get a little extra income every month from that. But some items give a lot more money than others. For example, this particular shampoo, $42 for one item, for one unit. I got a 10% commission on that. Yet below it, you can see this item, some dental guard, was $139. I only got a 1% commission on it. And so basically what you really have to do is you really have to understand what the rates are for different types of items. So this is the Amazon Associates operating agreement rate card. Basically, these are the rates currently available for people in my market who are using Amazon Associates to make extra money. Beauty luxury stores are 10%. That's the best, one of the best rates out there. Below that are actually musical and digital videos. That's 5%. And then physical books are 4.5%. So there's different rates for different things. And really, if you want to get the best rates, you have to really work on those particular categories. And I think that's why we see so many YouTube influencers and social media influencers who are talking about luxury beauty and luxury stores. I don't actually have any special content about luxury beauty. Just somebody happened to click one of my other links. Like, let's say they click the link to this book or to this USB-C cable thing, and then they ended up buying this as well. So I get a commission for that as well. And there's specific rules around that when you are linking and how the commission structure works. And you really have to read the operating agreement to understand that. One other tip I'd like to say about getting the best rates on Amazon Associates is pay attention to the promotions that they have. So last month, at the end of last month, I received this email saying, hey, congratulations, you've been selected to participate in a rate promotion. And basically, if I register for it, if I opt in, I'll get a better rate on all of these items. Like, it's increasing in many cases from like 3 or 4% to 5 or 6 or even 7%. So pay attention to these promotions. If you're an active Amazon Associates member, make sure that you're participating in some of these particular promotions that they're running to get that income. And also make sure that you follow Amazon's rules about using the affiliates program, their affiliate program, because sometimes they're very strict about it. There's certain things they don't want you to do. For instance, at one time they did not want you to have links in newsletters. Maybe they've changed that, but I don't believe they have. There's many other rules. So understand what the rules are, follow them, and then take a look at this rate card, their standard rate card, see what the best performing categories are, and start building content around that. And also pay attention to these promotions, which are often seasonal in nature. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. If you go to leanmedia.org, click on blog or video, I have many more posts and videos about these topics. The information's free. I just try to help people out to understand how to run a better Amazon business. Thank you so much for watching.